Hello, my name is Lutfi Karamadinata. Okay, I will explain about Module 1. In the first module, we'll discuss the basic concept of optical fiber. Okay, this is an assistant practicum SKO. Okay, practicum objective. 1. Knowing the difference in the characteristic and type of fiber optic cable. 2. Knowing and calculating fiber optic cable coring. 3. Know how numerical aperture calculation works. 4. Simulate numerical aperture using GUI. Okay. Optical fiber basic concept. Module 1. In the first one, structure and characteristic optical fiber cable. Characteristic of fiber optic. Optical fiber is a cable made of glass and plastic which function as a transmission medium that use light as a browser medium. Okay. For core is the main part of optical fiber which is made of high-grade crystal or glass material, which is water-free and is conductor which has function for the propagation of light from one end of the cable to the other, with a wavelength of 5 to 200 micrometers. To cladding, the layer after the core is an optical fiber is called cladding and is made of glass, same to core. Function as a light reflector on the core so as not to come out and return to the core, with a wavelength of 5 to 250 micrometers. Plus, coating. Coating serves to protect the cladding and core from various conditions. Coating comes in variety of colors to differentiate the orders of cores and tube. Okay, next, type of optical fiber. Based on length file, single mode, and multi-mode. 4 based on base index, step index, and gradient index. For single mode is consists of only one mode during its propagation. For multi-mode is consists of many modes during its propagation. Okay, for step index on the optical step index fiber, the core has a homogeneous refractive index. Okay, for gradient index, that close the refractive index of the core to the small cladding. So, at the gradient index, the center of the core has the greatest refractive index value. Advantage and disadvantage optical fiber. Advantage of fiber optic: bandwidth, characteristic, and distraction. For bandwidth, has a wide bandwidth and low attenuation, so that the transfer speed of digital system is higher than copper cables. Working at a high frequency, the amount of information that will be carried will be much more. Because optical fiber are made of glass and plastic, they are free from interface or interface from electric, magnetic, noise field, and are resistant to high temperature. Okay, for characteristic, the size and weight is like than its predecessor, namely copper and with glass material. It one first. Okay. Disadvantage of optical fiber. Characteristic, care, manufacture, or production. the manufacture or fabrication is relatively difficult because it has to use sophisticated technology. For care, repair or service is difficult because it requires a skilled workforce and special and sophisticated technology. For characteristic made of glass are susceptible to fracture and bending because they have a high level of stiffness and result in greater damping. Next, optical fiber coloring. Fiber optic fiber optic cable has 12 colors. They are blue, orange, green, brown, gray, white, red, black, yellow, violet, pink, and last Tosca.
Bending. Bending is a damage that occurs in the optical fiber, resulting in some modes of light will spread or radiate or causing reduction in power. There are two types of bending, macrobending and microbending. Macrobending is caused by poor handling and installation, and microbending is caused by poor cable fabrication process. Affecting parameters of bending. There are several parameters that affect the output power due to bending, as fiber strength effect. Strong pressure on optical fiber will have an effect. The reduced bend effect. The bending radius for the cable is at least 20 times the cable diameter. The bending is radius for the core is at least 3 cm. And many twists of fiber optic or number of coils will also affect the amount of power on the receiver. Numerical aperture. Numerical aperture is defined as the sign of the opening angle, which is the angle formed between the core axis and the line of light beam so that light beam get a total reflection in the core. NA equals root core refractive index minus cladding refractive index. NA sin A in free space, NaN sin A we use in medium with refractive index of A. Modus M equals V quadrate divided 2. The value M defines as the number of modes in the data set using a value that appears frequently in the data set that identifies the ratio of power flowing in the core and cladding to the fiber step index. V parameter equals 2PA divided lambda quadrate NA quadrate. V parameter is a dimensionless number parameter that determines how many modes propagate in the optical fiber. The V parameter value less than 2.4 is classified as single mode, while more than that is classified as multi-mode. Power equals power core plus power cladding. Power core is the power transmitted on the optical fiber core, while power cladding is the power flowing on the optical fiber part. Principle of optic fiber conductivity. Optical fiber consists of 3 layers: core, cladding, and coating. Core is the main part of optical fiber, where light propagates. Cladding serves as light reflector to keep light traveling within the core, and coating is a protective layer. A light source is placed before the optical fiber, transmitting light in all directions. The light ray number 1 is in ideal propagation condition, since the ray propagates along the fiber axis without any reflection or refraction. And the light ray 2 reflects in total, since arrives to the surface of the interface with angle greater than the critical angle of the cladding and the core. And the incident angle of the light ray 3 is smaller than the critical angle of the cladding and the core. This light will be reflected and will penetrate the surface formed between the core and the cladding. The light ray 3 will be absorbed by the wafer and will not contribute to the inside of the cable.